Dogs featuring my channel, and this is a shirt by Nationality NN07, and I really like this brand because in days like this, within this controversial world we live in, to call your item no nationality, this is pretty cool. This, I think, for marketing and for branding, I quite like it. Now, I have no idea what the NN stands for. I got you. Right, I don't know what the 07 is standing for, but I can assume it's kind of like a James Bond type of thing. But I couldn't put 007 because then there would have been an issue with the copyright and the brands and all this Mickey Mouse dangloo. You know, everything is going on today. But the whole point is here that this is an original shirt with all the stickers and everything on it, yeah. And this shirt is gonna bring me a minimum of 20 or 30 pounds. Now, you think it's maybe not a lot of money, but if you buy 10 of those, then you have a 300 pounds. And if you can't sell them, you didn't lose anything. You just don't. And you're gonna say, no, this is impossible. This is bullshit. Well, as far as you're concerned, it may be bullshit, but as far as I'm concerned, I've been doing it for the past 20 years, and this is not bullshit. This is what it is. But for you to get this information, it's not going to be for free, because YouTube is not paying me enough to stay there for 80 minutes, because this is a series of 8 videos. This is video number 6. YouTube is not paying me enough for me to perform here for 80 minutes. Right, let me show you what I'm talking about. Now, the retail price on this shirt is 29 pounds. For the sake of it, for the calculation, let's say 120. It's easier to calculate. Now, even if they're bullshitting you and this shirt is not 120 pounds retail price, it's definitely a 60. But even if it's 40, yeah, and I'm pretty sure it's at least 40. I know it's more, but let's say 40. I bought it, guys, for 22. Yeah. Now, if I sell it for 40 and take away the 4 pounds, I made a 14 pound win on this shirt. And if I can't sell it, I didn't lose my 22. Sounds like impossible, isn't it? I know, but it took me 20 years to perfect my craft. Without breaking any law, without robbing anyone, without cheating anyone, without bending anything. No, just using the terms and conditions, just using the law and my rights as a human being. And that's what I do. And that's what I do. Now, for me to offer you a business where you can't lose, you can only win or get out flat or square, I can't do it for free. Now, if you don't trust me and you don't want to pay a penny for me to tell you this idea, now that's absolutely fine by me. But then you have to stop this video right now and maybe take up skiing, you know, whatever. Another magical thing with this business, that you don't need storage at all. Well, maybe a suitcase worth of storage, no more. So you can do that from your room if you're a student and you have roommates or or flatmates, or you live in a HMO, in a house with multiple occupancy, or you have a small room at your parents' house, that's absolutely fine. The pace you need is a suitcase. You make money, or you don't, but you don't lose anything, ever. Send me a comment, check out my email address in the About section on YouTube, and you will be able to contact me. And after you tell me a little bit about yourself and about your income or what you do, I will match the information price for this business with you. Now let's say if you're a student, you're on your own, your parents don't support you, you're working hard, you work in a bar, you do this, you do that to be able to sponsor your university, and you might be able to do something for me in terms of you're a good content writer, or you may be a law student and you can help me a little bit with some questions which always play in my head, then I can exchange this information with your skills. So I'm not necessarily into for the money, but I'm also want to be appreciated for all my hard work and for all my time which I put in to perfect a business where you can't lose. Now, I'm the CEO of Vuko.com as well, so we would need people who can write stories, who can write content, who can get the word out there. Now, if you are a student and you can guarantee me that you can sign up maybe 10 of your mates onto this website, people who want to find activity partners, people who want to find travel partners, people who want to find romance, or maybe just people to find someone to go to a coffee with, and you can guarantee me 10 or 20 people who are signing up, then I can share this business idea with you for absolutely free. And this is how life works. Like back in the days, I had 2 cows and a small piglet. You had a big pig, we swapped. You got, not cows, 2 chickens and the piglet. I give you the 2 chickens and the piglet, you give me like a big huge sheep. Yeah? Or I had a horse and you had a cow, maybe we swapped. Because I needed the cow for the milk, you need the horse to drag the wood out of the forest. So it's not just the money, whatever we agree. If you're a single mother, you're struggling for money, but you have some time, you have an hour a day, you can deal with this, and you can do something for me. Maybe run my Facebook page for me from one of my photos, so you can upload some photos on the internet. Then I share this information for you with you for free, and you keep helping me bringing my other businesses forward. So this is all cool. But of course, if you a person who just really doesn't do much and just want to make quick money, then if you want to make quick money, then you give me a quick payment, and then I quickly tell you what is it all about, and then you can move on, and that's fine too. So either way, we have to find a solution where we can work with each other, and only so we can move forward. Now, if you believe all those TikTokers and silly YouTubers who say, oh, I have this idea, that idea, and ta-ta-ta, and click here and click there, and in the end, after you spend 2 weeks following all this Mickey Mouse down they do, and they tell you, yeah, but I know, but I can share it with you, but it costs. Now, if you want to do that, that's up to you. But if you want to deal with an honest man like me, then this is what it is. This is what you get. Anyway, dog is for tuning my channel. Like, share, comment, and of course, Araua. Auf Wiedersehen in German. Und lass den Schirm nicht stehen. Also, a little bit of German for sign. If you want to greet someone, you say, Grüß Gott. It means greet God. That's how the Germans greeting each other. Of course, you can also say hello, or the choose between try it out for the same last Nationality game. This is also a possibility, but I think now I gotta go.